morning.
So,
Yeah, so very good morning. How are you?
yeah, what about you?
Yes, I'm so happy. So we're meeting first time, so I would like to know a little bit about you.
Okay, yeah. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Paritosh Sharma. Basically, I'm from Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan state. If I
Wow,
talk about my job profile, I'm working in Merchant Navy. It has been around 5 to 6 years. And nowadays, simultaneously, I'm working on my communication skills. So that's the reason I'm practicing it here.
wow, good to hear. At the first time I have connected, very novel person.
It's
Mhm.
no, actually every
Yeah,
job have like difficult or we can say easy job. So we cannot compare to like the land job or sea job both are same. So it depends.
yeah, you are right. But I'm not comparing. My first experience with you, such a guys. So that's why I mentioned.
Okay,
So
so
yeah,
yeah,
okay. Let me
actually
reveal
I
myself.
watched so many videos of you. So it's
Oh,
my privilege. So am I talking with you? And
thank you.
I am very eager to talk with you after like very long time. So I don't know what to say.
Thank you.
You are calling
It's
me,
my
connecting to each other.
It's my honor, which you admire before to connect with me. Okay, let me reveal myself. So, this is Chandan. I live in Bihar state. Professionally, I'm a teacher, and if I discuss about my hobbies, so I love to interact with the new people and traveling different places. It is a part of my hobbies. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, it's lovely introduction. I just said that. So,
Thank
which
you.
subject do you prefer to teach?
In like basically, I teach English subject, but having the absence of teacher, I deal with every subject.
Okay. Yeah, actually, like you are practicing it here simultaneously, you are teaching English. So, you created that environment, we can say.
Yeah, this is a compulsory for everyone to have an environment, right? Because we all are struggling for learning this language. So having
Yes.
environment, it will be very convenient for us.
Correct. Without
So
environment, you will not achieve. Yes, please. What are you asking?
yeah, so I'm little curious, what were the reasons behind to learn this language of you?
Okay, definitely. I would love to give the answer. Actually, as you said that my work profession, I'm working in merchant navy. So everyone know like we have to go to different countries. While I'm talking with them, so somewhere I feel I'm stuck. I'm not feeling well. I'm not confident. So that's the reason I want to improve my communication skills. So that's the
Hmm.
reason I'm here.
Yeah, that's really great. Yeah, going different places, it's very difficult to stay surrounding the strange people if you are not knowing the mediums, this language is as a mediums you can say to approach people and having interactions with them. So
Yes.
this language will help you there for communicate with different personalities. Nice. Okay. So tell me about your the hobbies and your daily routine. Say something.
Okay. Actually, brother, nowadays like it's my vacation, so I am at my home. So on my daily routine, I'm just practicing whenever I get free time. So apart from that, I love to watch some movies,
Hmm.
play all cricket whenever I get to free time. And
Yeah,
yeah,
that's
now I'm
interesting. Wow, interesting, really. So as you mentioned, I have to go a different countries. So how many countries have you visited till now? May I know?
okay. Actually, brother, it's so many countries, around 30, 40 countries.
Mm-hmm. Out of India as well, no?
Yes, only
Wow.
once or twice I just came to here in my contract in India. Otherwise, I'm visiting to different countries.
Wow. Very nice experience would be.
Yeah, the last when I disembarked from the ship, my last port is Brazil.
Wow.
Going to just
Brazil.
here.
If I'm not wrong, so Brazil person has quite a long heighted, right?
What did you say? I didn't mean it.
Like they are quite long heighted. Each of them
If
have good
yeah,
height,
yes,
length.
if you are comparing to Indians to them, yeah, they have little bit heighted.
Yeah. And as well as they are looking also very fit and fine.
Yes, the South peoples, like if we are comparing, the European peoples and yeah, North America is people are not so much like healthy, but South America, the peoples are so much healthy. They are like whatever they are eating, no, it's so very conscious what we are eating. It's the healthy or unhealthy.
Yeah, and I think that place is the center of sunlight. Like sunlight directly hitting that place. Right.
Yes.
because of
And
having reasons, people are quite black skinned, little bit.
and one more thing from Brazil, I just want to share with you. Like the people are saying that 60% oxygens coming from the Brazil's forests all over the world.
Okay, wow. That's I mean, prominent reasons to be healthy there, right?
Yes. Actually,
We
if you are
all,
comparing, so all day, so any time like the rain, maybe sometime 10 hours, 15 hours, 8 hours, we are comparing to all over country. So yes, we knows.
yeah, that's the reason they are quite healthy because we all Indians, have, you know, so many pollutions, surrounding because of
Yes.
having multiple factories and different kinds of activities, right?
Actually, brother,
We are,
what's the reason? No, like if you talk about like the Brazil or maybe European countries or like USA countries, actually it's a very small countries if you are comparing. All we are developing country first thing and very populated country. So we are not managing all these things. They're developed countries. Like if you talk about UK, US, they have enough money, but we are just utilizing. We are just developing our country. So we cannot be
yeah,
saying anything about their country.
and they are already developed.
Yes, that's the power of money.
Yeah, you can say this is 100% right. Yeah, let's see. After crossing, I think many years, our
Yeah,
new generation
yes,
will
it
be
will take
see,
time. Yes, we don't know that when the time will come, will we see or not, we don't know.
yeah. And in our India, I think many things, many matters are there, like political matters and many kinds of, disaster activities the people are doing every single day against the people, right? There's so many crimes and many more things, right? We can't say. So due to that reason, people have been suffering through. So suffering through any problems, how could you keep healthy yourself, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. So not having tensions about any matters, you will grow. But having tension, it will never let you grow.
This is the reality. You are correct, brother. And in my opinion, if I want to share with like one of the reason to become our developed country, what's the reason? Only the population, and we can say
Yeah.
politicians.
Politicians,
They
yeah.
don't want to be like, yeah, they are giving so much free, but they are not giving education is free.
Yeah, you are right, sir. And I think, like fighting with between the two religions, this is also major reason to
Yes,
suffer
yes.
a lot every single day. And discriminations, right?
Yeah,
Major part you can
nowadays
say.
there is a very, yes, whatever you're saying is correct. Very big
So
issues nowadays.
whether we consider about this matter, but we can't do anything for that because we can't just stop increasement of population in India, right?
Right.
So that's the reason, and we only think, okay,
Yes, we just convey our thoughts.
okay. I'm little curious. Like after entering into a new countries, in a new country, like you will have limited times period, or I mean limited freedom to go random place, or you can go anywhere if you want. Then
Yes, if wherever the ship is moving, if we just came here, like I'm just giving the example of India. So it depends like how much time, whatever we are doing, loading or discharging, it 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. So in there, those period, so we can go outside, whatever we want, we can do. There is no
wow,
restriction from companies or their government.
that's really great. And what is the way of having money, like through the banking or like giving hand to hand?
Yeah, actually the banking, actually we
Banking,
can say I am working on there, so I am the NRE.
NRI,
So
yeah.
yes, so whatever our account is there, so the company, whatever we need, the company is providing us the salary, anything we want.
Yeah, that's great. Like these kinds of work, so imaginations you can say many of people and like I don't know actually what is I mean what type of work are you doing there? I don't know properly.
Okay. Actually, if I talk about more, if I talk about my work, so there is multiple type of ships is there, like some tankers, bulk carrier, those are carrying coal, grain, that type of tanker is liquid cargo. Passenger vessels is passengers, car carrier, container vessels. So it depends. I am a tanker vessel. So we are carrying Liquid cargo means like petrol, diesel, naphtha, gasoline, gasoil, that type of cargo we are carrying. So our work, we can say, to keep safe the cargo from one port to discharge to another port.
Okay, now I understood. Because mostly I watch many movies like Puspa too, I got some scenes, what you mentioned
Yeah.
now,
Yes.
container.
Yeah, that was the container vessels.
So
So
you are the officers, right? Like you are working as officers there.
yeah, I
Like
am the helpman of the ship to steer the ship.
okay, steer the CP. I mean, seeing watching the activities of people, how they are doing the work.
Actually, yeah, when we are around 20 to 25 members is there, so there have the specific duties, specific ranks. It depends which rank you are going and which work are you work.
Yeah, now I understood. Yeah, I mean delivering the one port to another port and staring
Yes,
at all these people they are what they are doing and according to their levels they got the work. And
yes, correct.
mostly your days are white, right? White days.
Yes, yeah, actually, when the people are on bridge, so that time the white dress, and if they are doing on deck, so like the dress code is different. So depends where you are. Actually, like we all are here only 20 to 25 members. So somehow we have to manage whatever we are facing the problems we see. Or in the
So I
company providing, but on sea we have to manage
yeah,
some.
what I personally think mention the date. Like on this date, the people will come there, and they would be the requirement to just deliver their container to another one port to another port. So accordingly, you all guys have to there, right?
Yes.
There is no limitations. I mean, there is no limited period of time. There you have to stay for month, yeah, for
Yeah,
right.
actually, when we are on ship, so that time our contract is 6 to 7 months. We have to stay there.
Okay, contract based. Okay,
Yes.
whether people
So
will come there or not, it doesn't matter. But you have to stay there for
yes, yeah. Rather than in an emergency, if we are facing a family problem, so the company is providing from sign off, but we have to stay otherwise on ship.
now. Yeah, I understood totally about your work. Yeah, that's a really amazing. First time I talked to you and great.
Okay, actually, like it's around, yeah, 1 month I'm using this application, or maybe 5 to 6 call. This is
Okay,
you are recording this session, so otherwise
how
it's
did
all.
you experience? How have you experienced? How have you been experiencing for a few days when you started using this application?
Okay, actually, before that, I was practicing on some WhatsApp group. So while we
Okay,
are talking on WhatsApp group, only for the voice call is the different thing. While we are talking on video calls, so in video audio call, the different. Okay, we can see, and the recording sessions. What I feel is like whatever we are talking, expressions, eye contact, and the way of talking, intonation, pronunciations. So after that, like the record session, we can easily see, and what the wrong thing we did, we can rectify it.
yeah, that's the reason. Somewhere we are being compelled. We have to manage. We have to maintain all these things. That is a mandatory. To be a good communicator or good learner, I would say. So that's why I always prefer to come across in a video conversation. This would be the very convenient and beneficial for you because ultimately you have to talk to
Starting
people in.
like I am not comfortable with video call or recording the session. It's very difficult task for me. Actually, you are record the session and you will upload. So I feel, yeah, if something, if I did, so I feel humiliated, something like that. But nowadays, like what I feel, yeah, whatever we did, so at least we knows. Or next time we'll try to improve.
Yeah, and there is no need to having such a fear because we all are being addict. That mistake part. Okay, so there's
Okay.
no need to have the fear of anything, and you try to encounter that situation make you feel fear.
Okay. So how's your YouTube journey? How's going on?
Yeah, going well, I would say. And you can see I love to, connect with the people due to that reason because I have to, be active every single day. So this is mandatory for me, and I really feel well, feel pleasure, you can say, because I have a proper reasons to stay there, right? And one, bad news I want to reveal out here. This application is going to die on 5th May. permanently, will be closed.
Oh, what's
This
the reason?
application, Skype, I don't know why it will be happen.
My
And
God.
this is very bad because this application is very convenient for many learners. I don't
Yes.
know after leaving this app, what application will be good for us.
Correct. And how to contact with, like, it's very difficult to everyone to talk with anyone. I
Yeah,
don't
you
know.
can say like sharing link and etc. We have to go through many process, right? And after that we connect.
Actually, what do you think if, like, as you said, that 5th May, the application is going to shut down? So we can say. So before 5th May, so we have to do something new, like maybe make some WhatsApp group, like we can talk on video call, something like that. Otherwise, we have to use some other application. At least we can connect. We all are learners, so we are just improving our skills.
Yeah, I think we must get the way of connecting. Okay, because if you search on Google, you get many information about this application. The application retirement, you will get the message like that. So yeah, people are going to listen and they are all said for that, but some way somehow we have to get the way of connecting again. There is a many applications, Zoom and another application, but where you have to share first your link and you connect with the one people at one time, not like that application. This
No,
is a
actually,
problem.
what's the reason? Like here, we already made some groups.
Yeah,
So only those peoples are here. Those people are really passionate about this language. That's the reason.
we have huge, we have a vast people, anytime we can connect, right?
Yes,
That's the convenientness.
yes. Otherwise, like we make some groups, we edit someone. So it takes a time. And
Next
when
time,
we
yeah,
restart, or we don't know, it took time. See,
what we can say.
yes, we'll see what to do.
Yeah,
So, have you monetized your channel?
not yet because I have crossed 1 hour. So what were the demand, the requirement I was not being able to fulfill for this year. So my beginnings again start. So 365 days I have to complete out all these things again. So yeah, I'm in a process, you can say. And yeah,
Okay.
let's see.
But best of luck.
Yeah. So
Apart from,
I think
yes.
that's enough today, right?
Okay, yeah, it's lovely talking. We talked a lot. It's 22 minutes now. So I'm so glad we talked. So next time we'll try. Definitely.
Yeah. Whenever you feel early, you can message me. Of course, we again connect.
Okay. So please recheck this conversation. If you feel is it fine, so then upload. Otherwise, we'll try
Yeah,
again.
of course,
Okay.
I will do like that. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Keep learning and let's see after closing this application. We must get any other ways.
Yes, definitely. Okay, brother.
Bye. See you soon.